at St. Martin's College, that's where I caught her eye. She told me that her dad was loaded. I said, in that case I'll have room with Coca-Cola. She said, fine. And then in 30 seconds time, she said, I wanna live like common people. I wanna do whatever common people do. Wanna sleep with common people. I wanna sleep with common people like you. What else could I do? I said, oh, I'll see what I can do. I took her to a supermarket. I don't know why, but I just started somewhere. So it started there. I said, pretend you got no money. And she just laughed and said, oh, you're so funny. I said, yeah. I can't see anyone else smiling here. Are you sure? You wanna live like common people.
Això no és cap broma. Estem a punt per governar.
Common people see, wanna sleep with common people. You wanna sleep with common people like me. But she didn't understand. And she just smiled and held my